The owners of Seaside Builders in South Jersey scribbled some shop talk on a napkin over lunch. They had no idea what was ahead. What started as a simple idea on how to contend with the harsh Jersey Shore weather on their custom-built homes ultimately transformed into Railing Dynamics Incorporated, a national leader in railing manufacturing.
My brother Andy and I had a pretty humble start. It was the early 80s, and all we had was a credit card with a $1,500 credit limit, a Ford Econoline van, and a head full of ideas. We actually started making custom railing out of PVC pipe furniture in the back of a peach-colored bread truck of all things. We were amazed how many people wanted it, and they didn't care how much it cost. We couldn't make it fast enough. So we came up with this idea of boxing railing kits and selling them through distribution. I remember going to my brother with the idea and him saying, "You sell it, I'll figure out how to pay for it." And that's exactly what we did. We called that first system Endurance. It was a real game changer for us.
Endurance Railing was hugely successful and quickly cornered the market. Following Endurance's lead came Titan Pro Rail, vinyl-clad aluminum railing kits. Developed with the installer in mind, Titan offered pre-mounted brackets for faster installation. As the demand for more material options increased, RDI created RDI Metalworks. Pre-assembled steel railing panels offer easy installation, the strength of steel, and a sleek, modern look.
We were carpenters by trade, so we designed our products to make sense on the job site. Almost simple stupid. In our first year with Endurance, we only sold $180,000, but we had explosive growth. And in our 6th year, we reached $26 million. It was a wild ride.
RDI made its mark in the railing industry, which got the attention of one of North America's outdoor living giants, Barrett Outdoor Living. RDI was acquired by Barrett on December 31, 2012. Family-owned and operated, Barrett was founded in 1957 and today has 3 business units with over 2,500 employees in North America. Barrett is an important Canadian manufacturer of wood studs, floor joist, and other manufactured wood products. Barrett Outdoor Living, an independent subsidiary headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, is one of the largest manufacturers of vinyl, wood, and aluminum fencing and railing, as well as multiple other outdoor living products in the U.S., with operations in Ohio, Michigan, New York, New Jersey, Georgia, and Tennessee. Barrett facilities are state-of-the-art, highly automated, and efficient.
We ask our team to apply a simple philosophy. Forget how everyone else does it. Always do the right thing and align yourself with the customer. We don't have banks or multiple shareholders that we have to satisfy from one quarter to the next, and we don't depend on creditors to make us or our customers successful. We also rely on ourselves for anything related to manufacturing and product development to provide greater reliability. We were drawn to RDI because it was obvious that Chris and his brother built their business with the same people culture and drive for innovation. With our automation, chemistry expertise, technical excellence, and RDI's design sensibility and installation ingenuity, together we are the undisputed railing experts.
Composite deck boards continue to be re-engineered due to concerns over water absorption, mold, fungus, and decay. Wood fiber in composite railing systems also causes problems. Manufacturers haven't removed wood from their railings because they weren't able to develop a core railing material that maintained the look and feel of wood without using wood. Until now.
Barrett is one of the largest wood product transformation manufacturers in Canada. If we wanted to use wood in our railing, we could, but it just doesn't belong there. We've worked for years to develop a material with the look and feel of wood, but with an ultra-low maintenance acrylic exterior and no organic filler. We call this new material Rizolite. Rizolite is not affected by water, and it resists rot, mold, and sagging. The acrylic surface is extremely durable and resists discoloration and fading. Rizolite is the key to our newest railing product, Transform. Transform surpasses the best-in-class product performance and ease of installation, and it's unlike anything in the industry. It is the only one of its kind.
Transform railing kits consist of only a few parts: 2 railing beams, a bottom rail, a top rail, balusters with baluster adapters and brackets. Transform comes in 3 designs: Transform Presence, Transform Emerge, and Transform Aspire. Each has a special look and feel and truly allows the homeowner to create a unique style to their home. 4 colors are available: white, wheat, caramel, and ironstone. Composite materials have drawbacks that lead to overly complicated installations. Transform's strong Resolite core, however, allows for much easier installation, saving time and frustration. Let's compare. With this competitor system, it's necessary to make a custom jig out of a 2x4 and then use that jig to drill each baluster hole on the angle of the stair. You then need to flip the bottom rail over and drill the opposite side with a larger drill bit to open up the hole for the screw. For every baluster, you're drilling 2 holes with 2 different bits in the bottom rail and 1 in the top rail. Here, we're only connecting 1 baluster. Imagine drilling 39 holes for one 6-foot section of rail. With most composite systems like this one, you then need to cut both ends of every baluster to the angle of the jig, then screw in every baluster. This process is very time-consuming. Also, the amount of hardware needed to assemble most composite kits is overwhelming. With Transform, it really is this simple. Our unique baluster adapter eliminates the need for jigs and the time-consuming job of drilling holes and screwing in balusters. The same baluster adapter is used in both level and stair railing applications. You simply press the baluster into the factory-routed slots in the rail. Stair applications are just as easy. Balusters are supplied with the angle pre-cut. There's no need for a jig or drilling on the angle because the adapter simply pivots to accommodate any stair angle. For our competitors, it is a complicated, time-consuming task to attach the brackets for mounting the rail. Once you've cut the angle onto the rails, you need to mark where the screw holes go for the brackets. Then you have to drill 2 holes with a small bit at each end of both rails and then change bits and drill 2 more larger holes at each end of the bottom rail to allow for the screwdriver tip. Once all the holes are drilled, you have to use a special tool to insert a special clip into the end of the rail for the screws to embed, since the composite material can't support the screws on its own. There's still much more, but for time's sake, let's skip to the difficult task of mounting the assembled section. The assembly needs to be placed between the posts on the stair and marks made where each bracket attaches. The section then needs to be removed, holes drilled, then reinstalled, and the brackets screwed to the post. Because the balusters are already installed, it makes attaching the screws very difficult. Finally, the top rail needs to be screwed onto the assembled section. Unfortunately, the exposed painted brackets are visible, unsightly, and susceptible to weathering. With Transform, bracket installation is a snap. You use 1 bracket for all applications. 1 simple angle cut will give you every option you need. Finish by cutting the cover to match. It's just that quick and easy.
We call this product Transform for a reason. It embodies where we've been, where we're going, and where we're taking the industry.
There's nothing like this product, and it's only the beginning.
Bye.